Mukwera make. Aro bakwera wese bakonda wese bakamba bakwera. Tiri make. Bangono chape bwana bakwera bafika nofika. Wait, mama tete ya kutenda kuina mama. Wewe haya. Bagamba muri beka coronavirus mama kikubura mkoyi. Kwera mama. Tamba mboya hapo. Coronavirus muri beka.
Bro mkamba nayo si coronavirus ni face mask nayo.
Bagamba nayo mwewe. Aro.
Nombe mkamba wasende assist. Ngoyo mkamba utafuere face mask.
Bagamba shiba mwenye mwenye. Aro bakani nani wewe. Ikira nayo boy. Kure bomba boy. Usika tena kwa polisi. Ikira nayo wewe. Na mko pata kile kwa ushani. Boy, na uchera. Kaweka sende kunganda. Kafuara kunganda kuja. Shiranga nayo ushani. Aro bagamba.
Yo ndikisha sister. Ndikisha sister.
Bagamba mpenda face mask akini bafuari. Fuari bagamba kwele nkuria. Kindeshe kwa manista. Bamboenda bantu bagamba tamboenda kengi. Jeni komanda. Kurea. Mandi badi wakati na chupa tona kama. Face mask kana bakana bazista wewe. Shani mwe bagamba. Mbona kuria maana?
Hey, this is Dream Eye. We are talking about coronavirus, COVID-19. So guys, whenever you are hearing us, or whenever you are watching us, please put on a face mask. Use this to wash your hands. Please don't move without a face mask. Coronavirus is a serious disease. It's killing people in other countries. Zambia, we are lucky because we can't say much. No people have died a lot. But we are saying whenever you are, whenever you're watching us, please, we are talking as Dream Eye, put on a face mask. Use this hand sanitizer as your personal move with it. Put it in your handbag, in your purse, in your wallet. Whenever you greet someone, you talk to someone, please, you can use this one to wash your hands. If you're having chilangamlilo, no, you want to have photo shoots, you can call us or contact on the following numbers. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, Dream High. This is our Dream High family. We are saying bye bye.
Bye.
See you on the next video.